Hang Master Jan. Achompani Pais Butler. Saftree poverty voor te verstime. Arach het litliger naam met mea. Waskuating onteside of te rood. Saring voet witte astraidog. Hang Master Jans gaze. Was draven toe te long leffe lok around mea's neck. Het was identisch al toe is lost familie heiloom. Hy was suddenly overkome witte paniek. Sieng tis. Te Butler. Immediately accuse het mea of stealing is Hang Masters belongings. Te Butler spoke witte sertuinthy. Claiming dat te jade lok het was a memento of me. Jans wiefe. Antatere was no otterlike it in te word. Vast het witte te relentless e-stoning. Mea felt only stand tere dumbfounded. Helplessly defending herself. Sy repeatedly impossible dat it was a gift from her moeder. Antat sy had not stolen it. Mea knel doven aanpleade desperately. Bid toe no afval. Jesting. A dokter happen it to pas by. Ant recognize te petit filmia. Het treat to intervene. Telling te Butler about te gerus tragic background. Antat sy nede toe harmonie to treat her moeders in is. Bid te Butler was in moefet. Ant even pisit mea aside. Reliet on te vast dat te hospitaal was of net by te Jan familie. Ant waar net te dokter not to medle in otterpioplus afwaaiers. He even triate net. Toe atspel te gerul ant her moeder from te hospitaal. Ant kip of te treatment. He hoop het dat te gerus moeder wilt hier te neefs antrusse oever. Kniel doven ant beg voor sy. Yes to spare her schild. Amidst the chaos. Te Hang Master. Wo hat beenwatching from te sidelinis. Sidden later net bale. Ant find it. Te childs vatter. Henry. Also is het oever. Het net uit dat te Hang Masters anemia het vlaar het ip agaan. Hy urgently neer het a bloed transfusion. Bitte hospitals bloedbank was running lof. Antere was no more bloed of terre getype. In desperation. Henry announced it a larger reward. Willing to pay millions to find acceptable blood donor. On te otterside. Mea's moeder also fel LD to te stress. De dokter told te gerol. Dat her moeders in de cel only bekier het by surgery. Bitte 300,000 Jan surgery fee was. An astronomical sum for tes familie. Just as de titay wie de siaarts profeet vrytles. Jans grandvader Sian de stoever het dat de poor gerol ty had valselei accuse het. Was de only one wo koud safe is grandson. He found mea. Ant offer het 300,000 Jan surgery fee in Echana. Voor her bloed donation to te Hang Master. To safe her moederlijn in te hospitaal bed. Mea had no choice bid to agree to te skriel deal. Telling herself dat as long as ze donated her bloed. Her moeder wilt survive. Mea was taken to te waard. Ant te cold needle period her vrouw arm. Bloed kept vloeven uit. Ant her vase greeppaler aan paler. Soon. Mea fell into a coma due to excessive bloed loss. De dokters rus het over to stop them. Believing te bloedvolume was sufficient. Bid Sian so wet no humaniteit. Coldly ordering them to continue drawing bloed. Until his grandson was completely out of danger. De moeder in te waard. Sinds het her dagters danger in tyd te verlei. Sy teruglet toe het out of bed. Ant rus het to te bloed collection room without hesitation. Seeing her inconscious dagte. De moeder completely broke dop. Sy knelt om te grond aan pleade desperately. Even rolling op haar sleefes. Asking to ise her oven bloed to replate her dagters. At dat moment. De nurse brou het goed neefs. De Hang Master had reg net consciousness aan was out of danger. Bid te gerol om te operating table was still inconscious. Her liefe hanging by atteriat. De moeder skreeu met her dagters name in agonie. Begging te dokters to save her. Bid altyd reminded was tesselense and helplessness of the medical staff. Te vader of moeder aan dagter trillei broke at the weakest point.